Good day, everybody. I hope that you are well. And I also hope that you are having a good day so far. All right. So we see that we're doing grade 2 related words. And before we start, we're going to log on to aplusstudents.ca. Once you've logged on to aplusstudents.ca with our username as well as our password, and then we're going to select the subject of English language arts grade. We're doing grade 2. And then we're going to scroll down up until we get to our chapter of related words. So we see that our chapter is related words. Our subject is English language arts. We're doing grade 2. And the lessons that we are going to be focusing on under the chapter of related words is which word is not like the others. It's not like the others. And then we're going to describe the difference between related words. All right. So when it comes to related words, right? Some words are alike, and that is where the word related come in. So some words are alike, and they go together in a group. Related words. They are alike and they go together in a group. For example, red, blue, and green go together, and we call that colors. So we see that these are colors related words are words that basically sounds alike. or some words that are alike. So you'll have a group of words maybe, and these group of words are alike. And in this case, when we say red, blue, and green, they go together, then we can say that those are colors. Or as saying, mom, dad, grandma, and grandpa go together, and those are people in a family. We can even say carrots, potatoes, and let's say cabbage. So carrot, potato, and cabbage, sorry, they go together, and we can say maybe they are vegetables. Or even if we were to use fruit, right, then those words go together because they are words that are like, and like we said over here, we have red, blue, and green that go together and they are colors. And they are like. Another word is related words. We call them related words. They are alike. They are related to one another. And when it comes to related words, and we said some of the words are alike, but these words that are alike, they might have differences in meaning. So some words might be alike, but they have differences in meaning. There are many differences when it comes to this in meaning. All right. So these are related words. And we said some of our words, some of our related words, they might have differences in meaning. And that words with differences in meaning, we call them shades of meaning. If they have differences in meaning, we call that shades of meaning. And an example is we said, think about the words walking and running. Think about the words walking and running. All right. So we said, right, we have some of our words that are alike, and we made mention of red, blue, and green, and we said those words they go together because they are basically colors. And then we made mention of mom, dad, grandma, and grandpa. We said those go together because those are people within a family. And then we also made mention of carrots and potatoes and cabbages. And we said those are vegetables. And like we said, we can even use fruit, where we, for example, jot down the names of the fruits, and then those words are basically in the group of fruits. So some of the words we said are alike, but they have differences in meanings, right? And we call them shades of meaning. And an example is walking and running. They're both ways of moving. So walking and running is both ways of moving, but running is faster than walking. All right, so we said that we have walking and running, and both of these ways it shows that the person is moving. All right, so these are related words. It is words that are more alike that we can group together, in the form of, the things that goes together. All right. So there are many different ways that we can basically group together, put together, right? And then we come up with a specific word, right? That will basically show that they go together, right? And then when we said when it comes to shades of meaning, right? We said shades of meaning are all right. So these are related words, shades of meaning. Walking and running. It's like saying talking and shouting or scolding, right? When I'm talking, right, and then I'm just like nicely, my tone of voice isn't changed. I'm just talking, trying to have a conversation. And then we have scolding. Scolding is when you're raising your voice, you're going on and going on all the time. All right. So now we're going to aplusstudents.ca and we are going to say which word is not like the others. All right. So now we're going to aplusstudents.ca and we're going to related words. And we're going on to the first lesson, which is which word is not like the others. So which word is not like the others? And if we look at the related words, all right. And we said words like red, blue, and green, they go together, or any other colors, they go together. Then mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, they go together because they're all people in a family. All right. So we said that red, blue, and green. All right. So we went over the different words that might be together or that might be grouped, right? So now, if we look at another example, right, we need to now, before we look at the examples or go on, we need to say which words are not like the others. So if we say, for example, that red, blue, and green go together. So if we say red, blue, and green go together, right, then we are going to identify maybe what others are in that specific sentence that does not or that's not related to one another. All right. So now we're going to say which word is not like the others. All right. It says we have over here, we says clown, we have king, and we have teacher. Right? Clown, king, and teacher. If you look at those three words, what are the words that go together, and what is a word maybe that does not belong within that group? So, clown, king, and teacher. And if we look at those three words, right, they're not giving us another extra word. But if we look at these three words, then all these three words are related. And they are related because they are people. So they are basically related in the fact that they are people. Because as much as we have a clown that is more clowning, then we have a king, which is like your ruler, and we have a teacher, right? That teaches you and so on. Those words, they basically just tell us that all of them are people. All right, let's go on. We have banana, orange, and apple. Banana, orange, and apple. If we look at banana, orange, and apple, are they related? And if they are related, then what group are they? What are they? All right, so banana, orange, and apple, they are grouped together, and we can say they are your fruits. So banana, orange, and apple, we say that they are your fruits. All right, so we have words like banana and orange and apple, and they are basically fruits. All right, so we said banana, orange, and apples, they are fruits. And words that we can put together is we have boat, we have train, and we have cars. And the word boat, train, and cars, right? We can say they are ways of travel. So ways of travel or ways to travel. Let's say ways to travel. So these are ways to travel, which is you either travel by boat or you travel by train or you travel by car, or you travel by truck or even airplane, right? Those are ways to travel. All right, so now we're going on to our test, right? Where we are going to say which is not like the others. We need to say which is not like the others. So if we were to group the words, then the question is which word is not like the others? And here we say which word is not like the others. We have window, hammer, shovel, and saw. Window, hammer, shovel, and saw. Which word is not like the others? So we said words are not like the others. Then we have window, hammer, shovel, and saw. So words that are not like the others, we can say it is window. Because remember, if you look at the word hammer, a shovel, and a saw, right? Those are words that we can still say are similar or related to one another, because when it comes to a hammer or a shovel and a saw, then those are things that you need in order to either fix around the house or to clean around the house. But a window is something different. All right, so a window, yes, well done. Window is not like the others. Then the next one says, which is not like the others. We have sun, snow, rain, and house. And we say which word is not like the others. We have sun and snow and rain and house. And if we were to group those words, right, then we can say sun, snow, and rain go together. And then house is a word that is not like the others. House is not like the others. Yes, well done. All right. And if we now look at the next one, we need to say which word is not like the others. We have where, many, some, several. All right. So if we were to look at words that is not like the others, we need to basically say if we look at the words where, many, some, several, what is the word that is not like the others? All right. And we the word that is not like the others, we can say is where. Because many and some and several, right? Those are words that go together, right? Those are words that go together. It tells us almost like how many things people have. But where is not part of it. It's not like the others. Then we need to say which word is not like the others. So we have words like juice and milk and water and cup. So juice, milk, water, cup. Which word is not like the others? Which one is the odd one out there that's not like the others? Juice, milk, water, cup. We need to say which one. is not like the others? So here we have juice. Oh yes, we said cup, right? Because juice, milk, and water, they go together. It is more something liquidy form, right? But then a cup is nothing to do with something to drink. It's nothing to do with liquid. We pour the liquid in the cup and then drink it. And then the last one it says, which word is not like the others? We have cow, ant, fly, and bee. So we may say which word is not like the others. Cow, ant, fly, bee. And if we were to choose a word that is not like the others, we can say it's a cow. All right. So now we need to describe the difference between related words. The difference between related words. We said that some of the words that are alike, they have difference in meanings, right? So they might be alike, but the meanings are different. And those differences we call shades of meaning. We call it shades of meaning. And we said an example is either between running and walking. Both running and walking, right? It shows that we are moving. Because if you're walking, you're moving, you're going forward. If you're running, you are moving forward. But when it comes to running, you are moving forward, but running is faster than walking. Because walking, you are moving forward, but running is more faster than walking. All right. So now we're going, before we finish, let's quickly go to our test. We need to say which one is bigger. Is it a hill that is bigger or a mountain is bigger? Which one is bigger? So which one is bigger? Is a hill bigger or a mountain bigger? And if we want to choose which one is bigger, we will say a mountain is bigger. So well done. Which is more certain? So which is more certain? If is guessing certain or knowing something certain? So you like guessing, like, I think any, mini, miny, or knowing, like, I know this. Which one is certain? All right. And knowing is more certain than guessing. And the last one says, which happens out loud? Wondering about something or asking about something. So if I'm wondering about something in my mind and I'm thinking, or I'm asking something, which one is out loud? All right. And if we were to choose the correct one, we'll say asking about something is it happens out loud because wondering is in your mind. All right. So this is now the end of our lesson on related words. We identified words that are grouped together, and then we identified words that are not like the words that are grouped together. And then we also had to describe the difference between related words, right? Where you'll have words that are similar, yet they are quite differences. All right, so this is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much, grade twos, for joining our class. And I really hope that you're going to have a good day further. So, till next time, have a good day and see you guys next time. Goodbye. Bye, guys.